Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be going through blog comments. Now a lot of people think blog comments are a waste of time because they're no follow backlinks. So this basically means they're weaker backlinks with no link juice. Now Google wants to see that your website has no follow backlinks and follow backlinks, so that way it's all natural. Blog comments are very important because they're free and very easy to get. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these blog comment backlinks. So now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do blog comments. As you guys can see, this is on Neil Patel's website. This guy is a big authority person in the SEO space. He has over 3 million backlinks on his website and he has an 8.9 authority score, as you guys saw in previous videos. Now, if you want to scroll down to the bottom, as you guys can see here, they do have blog comments, so you're able to actually comment on these blogs. And I'm going to go into one comment in particular over here. Just check out this blog comment here. As this guy's put, his name is James. He's mentioned a great article. I think the section of conversion is very important. So on. I also recommend starting an affiliate program, giving a bonus to the person that refers someone, and also giving a discount to people that refer. I use OSI affiliate software. Puts the link to it to set up my bonus. Also, I like MailChimp for my auto response software. So as you guys can see, this guy's actual company. It's not really an affiliate, it's actually his company, and he's trying to drive traffic to it. So now I'm on his blog, on Neil Patel's blog, and I see this guy's comment, and I go to click onto his link, and there you go. That's a backlink that's gone straight to his website, and he's getting traffic every single day because this Neil Patel's website is getting 500,000 views a month or however much visits a month. So this guy is basically done a comment and he's getting visits every single day because he's done a backlink, he's done a blog comment on such an authority website. That's why this is so important. Now, the main reason to do blog comments isn't really to be driving traffic. I mean, in this case, if you're on such a big, website like this, traffic can be a bonus. However, it's not really to drive traffic. The main focus of it is to drive backlinks. You want to try and increase the amount of backlinks that your site has, and that way the authority in Google's eyes will be like, wow, this website has a lot of backlinks, we're going to start ranking it. So that's the goal of blog comments basically. Now when you want to go do blog comments, you don't want to be putting something that just straight away shows your website. You want to make it chunky, just like this. You don't want to say, hey, great article, I really liked it, I use affiliate software, check my bro. People won't approve it. So some blog pages, the comments need to be approved. So you're not automatically going to get your comment up on the blog. They need to be approved. And say Neil Patel saw this, he wouldn't approve the comment because he can see that you're just trying to, just promote your software or promote a software without adding any extra value. So you really need to make sure the actual comment is very chunky and buff before you go in to make comment like this. Now, how do you find these blogs? You guys want to go onto Google and search up your industry with blogs. So let's go, you're in the pet industry, pet blog. Let's say you're in the marketing industry, marketing blogs. In this case, I've shown an example in the marketing industry. So this is a marketing blog. I've clicked onto the blog and you want to scroll all the way towards the bottom. And as you guys see here, they do have a comment section. Not all blogs will have a comment section. If they don't have a comment section, just skip it, go to another blog that you're not interested into it. So now this one has a comment section. So what you guys want to be doing here is go scroll to the bottom. Usually it's to the bottom or to the top where you can simply comment. You can say something like, hey, his name's Mark. Hey Mark, really loved this article, especially when you talked about, let's say you read one little section, explain that section, say when you talked about Facebook ads, okay? I use a tool that helps me with my Facebook ads called www. whatever the tool is, say Facebook ads tool.com.au. Highly recommend it. And let me know if you use it as well. So here, then you put your name. Let's just put Andrew, whatever it is. Put an email, andrew@hotmail.com. So this is where you put your website, guys. So this you put www.mywebsite.com. Okay. So when you put in your website and you press post comment, the comment will either get automatically published or it will need to be approved to get published. So this just depends on the blog and how it works. Say it automatically gets published. When you go post comment, you can go through here, and when you put in your website here, it will appear in your name. So as you guys can see here, some of these names don't have a website because they haven't put a website in. But some of these names, when you click onto it, you can actually go to a website. So I'm gonna click on this person's name. And because they put in a website down the bottom here, it takes me to their website, which is TMG Connected Media Services. There you go, guys. So you just put in a nice chunky blog comment. Put in a nice chunky blog comment. Find the blog. Put in a nice chunky blog comment. Add in your website over here, okay? And then when people click onto your name, which would be this part here, when people click onto your name, they'll go straight to this website. Now, as soon as your blog comment gets accepted, when Google comes to crawl this page and they see that your website is linked, so as you guys, if you look down here, your website is linked down the bottom left of the screen, as you guys can see. That is when Google will be like, oh, this website has a backlink on this website, so then Google sees it higher in its eyes. So that's just another backlink added to your website, and that helps you obviously rank higher in Google. And it's just another free and easy way of ranking on Google. Now, if you're super lazy and you don't want to do this yourself, you can easily go onto Fiverr and search up do blog comments, and you find a ton of people that will do this stuff for you. Just be careful, because some people do this and they'll have automation behind it, and they'll publish a ton of blog comments all at once. This is something you don't want to do because it can harm your SEO strategy, and Google will pick up on it and it won't be good. What you guys want to do is you want to find someone that's realistic. They'll do around 10 to 15 blog comments for like $5, not say 2,500 blog comments for $5. So, you know what I mean? 10 to 15, 20 is good enough. Don't go for someone that does thousands and that uses automation. That's something you don't want to get close to, or else Google will just cut you off from SEO because they realize that you're using tools. It just doesn't look good in SEO. It's not good for your ranking, and it can really ruin your whole SEO strategy, and it's really not worth it when it's only just blog comments. So find someone for $5, does around 10 to 15 a day. It looks nice and natural and it looks good. This is only if you're like super lazy and you don't want to do it yourself, then you can find someone else to do it for you. Okay guys, so that's how blog comment backlinks work. They can be very time consuming, but if you have enough of these, they can be really, really good for backlinks. Trust me, if you do this consistently and thoroughly, you won't need the more powerful backlinks. So in the next video of the course, I'm going to be explaining to you guys what social signals are and where to get them from, and how you can start creating some buzz to your website.